Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Robotics Labs. Today we are going to build a fun and interactive DIY project, a smart automatic barrier gate system. This system automatically opens a barrier when a vehicle or object comes close and closes it once the path is clear. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a micro servo motor, jumper wires, a power source, and a simple barrier model made using cardboard or a 3D printed setup. You can find all the electronic components in the Propelex Labs Young Innovators Kit. So let's get started. First, create a simple barrier gate setup using cardboard or a 3D printed arm. The barrier should be lightweight so it can rotate easily. Now, fix the servo motor at the base of the barrier gate and attach the barrier arm to the servo horn. This will allow the servo to lift and lower the gate smoothly. Mount the ultrasonic sensor at the front of the gate facing outward in the direction of approaching objects or vehicles. This will help detect when something is near the gate. Now place the Arduino Uno securely near the setup and connect all components neatly. Let's move on to the connections. Connect the ultrasonic sensor. Ground to ground, VCC to 5V on Arduino, trigger to digital pin 9, echo to digital pin 10. For the servo motor, red wire to 5V, brown or black wire to ground, signal wire to digital pin 6. Once everything is connected, double check all wiring carefully using the circuit diagram provided. Now, open the Arduino IDE, copy the code linked in the description and paste it into the software. In the program, the ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance of any object approaching the barrier. When an object comes within a set threshold distance, the Arduino triggers the servo motor to lift the barrier gate automatically. When the object moves away, the system waits for a short delay and then lowers the barrier back to its closed position. So the logic works like this. Object detected nearby, barrier opens. No object detected, barrier closes. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once uploaded successfully, disconnect the USB and power the system using a battery or power bank. Now test it. Bring your hand or an object close to the sensor and you will see the barrier gate open automatically, move away and it will close again. This project is a great example of how ultrasonic sensors can be used in automation systems like parking gates, security entrances, and smart access control. You can also extend this project by adding an RFID based access system, password keypad, or traffic light indicators for real world simulation. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Proplex Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.